that they actually use what's known as channel sales. And through the channel, like Dan mentioned, there is the distributor, which, believe it or not, for software licenses, there are entire entities that distribute license. I mean, even though it's not a physical thing, like I think when we think distributor, we think like a distribution warehouse or something, shipping, actual physical things, which in some cases it is, especially if it's data center hardware, let's say network gear or servers, something like that. But the distributor is also distributing software licenses and managing the terms, pricing, that type of thing. And the reason these solution providers exist is now, instead of Microsoft having to go, say, directly to the hospital system and saying, hey, IT folks, we know you need new productivity tools for your nurses and doctors, that has to be HIPAA compliant. This partner, let's say this value-added reseller, might have a super specific expertise, let's say in HIPAA compliance, or they have an expertise in integrating not just these productivity tools, but how these doctors are storing data. These organizations, you guys, they tend to be distributed. I mean, we're not talking one hospital. We're talking, maybe there is a data center that this hospital owns. They're also storing data on some sort of cloud, which means they're paying some provider to put, let's say, applications on there. But they might have 5, 6, 7 hospital locations, 2 or 3 administrative buildings across multiple states. I mean, this stuff has to be up. It has to be working all the time, especially when you're thinking about healthcare emergencies and patient satisfaction. So this is why these partners exist, you guys, these solution providers, so that now, in the case of Microsoft, they can just focus on making their product better. The distributor can focus on managing, let's say, licenses, and Dan mentioned marketing development funds. There's a ton of money that these manufacturers are giving to the partners, the marketing development funds, because Microsoft knows, again, just using them as an example, that because this partner knows HIPAA compliance and they're really good at healthcare, that they can get in, wide and deep in this account and really, really help these doctors and nurses perform their jobs better.